Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. Once again, I'm here with a useful video where I will show you the 5 best projects of Metaverse. If you buy it now, you can be millionaire in the future. So, let's get started. Before moving on to the video, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. Therefore, never hesitate to like our video, comment your idea about our video in a comment section and share this video with all your friends. As I told you, in this video, I will show you the 5 best projects of or the 5 best tokens of Metaverse if you buy it now, and you can make a huge profit in the future. Here I have uploaded video about Metaverse, how you can find top Metaverse tokens. Make sure to watch this video. And I just told you that how to buy Metaverse tokens or from where you can buy Metaverse token. So make sure to watch this video. It can help you in order to find the best Metaverse projects. But in this video, what I think, it's my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but this video is for knowledge purpose. That's why I'm here to give you the 5 best projects. What I think these 5 projects can make you millionaire if you buy it now and if you add it on your portfolio. So before finding the best projects, before showing you the 5 best projects of Metaverse, let me tell you that why this Metaverse or why this Metaverse projects become in a high demand, and the projects or the tokens just skyrocketing. The price just increased about 1000%, 500%. What's the reason behind this? Here, Facebook beats its features on the Metaverse. The best reason that the CEO of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, just announced that the new name of Facebook will be Meta Facebook. After the announcement, everyone just curious to know about Metaverse projects. Everyone just start investing on this Metaverse projects. That's why we have just seen a huge pump on the Metaverse tokens. Okay, if you scroll down here, you can see Facebook has rebranded itself as a Meta. Banking on the Metaverse becoming a significant part of our lives. Not everyone is happy with the company making a mark in the space that has existed for years. Then if I scroll down, Mark Zuckerberg says that Metaverse is not just the next chapter of his company. It's the next chapter of the internet. What it means? Announcing the new name of Facebook, it's not mean that this is the next chapter of Facebook or his company. It means that this is the next project or the next chapter of the internet. Okay, then the next platform and medium will be even more impressive and embodied internet where you are in the experience, not just looking at it, and we call this the Metaverse. If I show you the top Metaverse coins or tokens, here you can see on CoinGecko.com. CoinGecko.com is the market watcher where you can watch the total market cap, the cryptocurrencies market cap, circulating supply, daily volume. Even you can see the 24-hour volume of all the market cap, dominance, Bitcoin's dominance, Ethereum dominance. Then you can find the total cryptocurrency that available in the market, total exchange that available in the market. Okay, here top Metaverse coins by market capitalization. So now you can see today's in 24-hour the Metaverse coins or the market cap of Metaverse coins just dropped about 3.5%. Here you can see the Metaverse market cap today is 26 billion. Again, it's fine. This is the beginning. Again, it's fine. If we check the top Metaverse coins by market capitalization, so you can see there are more than 40 tokens. If we see X Infinity, Decentraland, Engine Coin, Sandbox, Radio Kaka, Alluvium, UFO Gaming. Then we have Starlink, Star Atlas. There are huge cryptocurrency. Some of them are hidden gem. So if we see all of this, so you can see all the coins, all the metaverse tokens just increased about 1000%, 500%. The price just touched its all-time high. Some of the cryptocurrency made their all-time high. So now we are in a discount. Now we are seeing a little correction of all this metaverse token. So it means all of them are in a discount. If you want to hold it for a long term, so you can buy it. Just don't put your all funds in one price. Make sure to buy it in parts. Do dollar cost average. So at least you should get a huge profit. You should get more profit. So now we will start, and I will show you the 5 best metaverse tokens. If you buy it now, so you can make a huge profit in the future. So the first and the top metaverse token is Xfinity. Here if we see, the current price is $153, and the circulating supply of Xfinity is about, the total supply is 217 million, and the circulating supply is now, the remaining circulating supply is about 65 million. Okay, then if we check, the market cap is about 10 billion. 24-hour volume is 608 million, and here you can see it's the official website of Xfinity. Xfinity is a gaming coin. Here you can play game and you can earn SLP coin. So this is the beautiful website, the beautiful designed website. You can check its white paper, you can check all the details of Xfinity. Check its website. The very best design theme and the best design website. All are clear, all are easy to understand. Then scroll down, here you can see everything about Xfinity. This is the bottle, land, Xfinity, news, marketplace, everything you will find in here. And this is the official Twitter of Xfinity. Make sure to follow its Twitter and click on bell icon in order to be updated. So in here, if we scroll down, you can see the price of Xfinity just jumped from 134 to 163 or 162 dollar. Now here you can see this is a consolidation mode. So once the support zone or the consolidation mode is confirmed, then we can see a huge pump from that level. So you can buy this Xfinity from Binance, from KuCoin, Get.io, any more centralized exchange. Here you can find all the market, all the centralized exchange that is available, or from where you can buy this coin. Like we have Binance, we have Coinbase, we have FTX. This is all the market of Xfinity. The second best metaverse token is Decentraland, Mana. Here the current price is $2.64. The market cap is about 3.5 billion. Daily volume is 673 million. Circulating supply, the remaining circulating supply is, the total supply is 2 billion and the remaining one is 1.3 billion. So this is the official website of Decentraland. You can see, welcome to Decentraland, create, explore and trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. Now scroll down, you can see everything about Decentraland. Even you can create your own land. Then you can see this is test the limits of your imagination. So, and this is the official Twitter of Decentraland. So make sure to follow its Twitter, because you should be updated about the price, about the news, about everything of its update. So make sure to follow it and click on bell icon in order to be updated about everything. If we scroll down, Decentraland just touched its all-time high. Now this is in consolidation mode and this is in a discount price. If you buy it now, so you can get a huge profit. Mana is the best metaverse token, best of them best. If we scroll down, you can buy it from Binance, you can buy it from Get.io, KuCoin,
all the centralized exchange. Here you can see this is all the markets of Mana, from where you can buy it, from where you can buy and sell it. You can find it. And if we check its chart, if we check the 2 weeks chart, from $1, from 184 cent, the price of Mana just jumped to $3.75. So this is the huge price, the huge pump from Mana. That's why now this is in consolidation mode. After once the consolidation mode is confirmed, so we can see the price of Mana to $5 to $6. The third metaverse token is Polka City. No one is talking about Polka City, although Polka City is the best metaverse token. Here you can see the ranking is 1100 and the current price is $1.95. In 24 hours the price is just decreased about 12%. So this is in a discount. This because the Polka City price just touched $2.26. That's why now this is in consolidation mode. This is in a correction. Then we scroll down, you can see total market cap is 60 million, 24-hour volume is 30 million, circulating supply is about 8.7 million. Circulating supply is not too much. And then if you scroll down, you can see its market, from where you can buy it. You can buy Polka City on PancakeSwap using your MetaMask wallet. And if you check the chart, here you can see the price just decreased from $2.24 to $1.95. This is 1.95. And if we check the market, you can buy it from Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Get.io, Max, Bittrex. So this is the market from where you can buy and sell. This is the official website of Polka City, the world's first 3D and AR NFT multi-chain platform and video game. Earn profit by owning virtual taxis, gas stations and service. Here you can see the exchange, marketplace, Bright, buy assets, now a multi-chain. So this is the official website of Polka City. If we check its official official Twitter, so make sure to follow its Twitter and click on bell icon in order to be updated. So what I think, Polka City will touch its all-time high and will cross its all-time high in the future. So make sure to add this coin on your portfolio. The fourth metaverse token is the Sandbox. Sand. The current price is $2.51 in 24 hours, 0.9%. The price just decreased. And if we see, the market cap is about 2.2 billion, daily volume is 550 million, and the circulating supply is 892 million, which is not too much. It means if this project of metaverse becomes successful, so the five tokens that I'm telling you, this 5 will be in a top and will give you a huge profit. So then scroll down, here you can see the chart of in 14 days the price of Sand just jumped from 84 cent to $3 or $3.36. Now this is in consolidation mode, a little correction, then we will see the price to $4, $5. You can buy Sand coin from Binance, Digniflix, Whitebit, Hobby, Crypto.com, OKX. This is all the market of Sand from where you can buy and sell it. So if we check its official website, here you can see you need to sign in, and then you can see this is the official website of Sand, the beautiful metaverse token. Buy land, pre-register. You can see this is the partner of Sandbox, and then scroll down, you can see all this market, create, map, about, discover the Sandbox. The Sandbox is a virtual metaverse where players can play, build, own and monetize their virtual experiences. We empower artists, creators and players to build the platform they always envisions, providing the means to unleash your creativity. So you can create like this land, then we scroll down here, create in your own land. So this is the beautiful website and the top metaverse token, and this is the Twitter. So make sure to follow its Twitter and hit the bell icon to be updated while they give update about the price, about the metaverse, everything. Our last and the fifth metaverse token is Engine Coin. Engine Coin is again one of the best metaverse token, and this is on the top of the metaverse projects. The current price is $3.10, and in 24 hours the price of Engine just decreased about 3%. The market cap is 2.8 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 360 million, and the circulating supply is about 934 million. So this is the official website of Engine. NFTs for everyone. Here you can see NFTs you can integrate with. So this is the beautiful and the official website of engine.io. you can download this Engine wallet on your Android phone and iOS devices. So make sure to check its official website, and this is the official Twitter, so make sure to follow its Twitter and hit the bell icon to be updated. So come back to CoinGecko.com. If we scroll down here, you can see the chart. In 2 weeks the price of Engine just jumped from $2 to $3.47, and now this is in a little correction. Then we can see the price of Engine to $6, $7, even more than that if the project of Metaverse becomes successful. This is the market of Engine Coin, from where you can buy and sell Engine Coin, eToro, HitBTC, Binance, HitBTC, VCC Exchange, Coinbase, Get.io. This is all the market of Engine.io. So these are the 5 top metaverse tokens. So make sure to buy it now and add one of them or 2 of them if you have lots of funds. So I recommend you to buy these 5 top metaverse tokens and add this on your portfolio, because if the metaverse projects become successful, you can get in a future 2x, 5x, 10x profit. So our video is just end up here. If you have any problem or question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm always available to give your answer. So if you understand this video, make sure to like our video, share your idea about these 5 metaverse tokens, about metaverse projects in a comment section. What do you think about this metaverse projects? And share this video with all your friends, because sharing is caring. Still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.